Mm-hmm.
No way.
No. You like it? But I don't think I like the flavor. Yeah. Let me go work out. My flowers are dying. I think I got them on Monday. So cute. Also don't I drank kombucha earlier and I felt like it helped, which makes sense because, you know, it's a probiotic. Crocheted in so long. Let's see how it goes.
Always buy more and keep going, right?
Yeah, you can extend even with a different color.
Say, how are you?
So you can get after it. Switching.
Say, I'm crying.
Head to your local Boost Mobile store.
Why are you
4
crying?
lines and 4 phones for $100.
Say, I'm not gonna cry. I'm a big boy.
Requires port and auto pay and ID verification. Available in
I'm a big boy.
See participating stores for details.
Big boys don't cry.
Sluggish or weighed down could be a sign that your digestive system isn't working at its best.
Bye bye.
Mucil every day can
See
help.
you later.
So fiber powders help promote your daily digestive health using a plant-based fiber called psyllium.
Are you making your bed?
Yes.
Oopsie. Pick it up and throw it in the trash. Good job. Put that back.
Huh?
Put it back right there.
Why do that?
Good job. Come get a book. Let's read. Sometimes I feel like this thing is watching me. It's so creepy. They all see that.
Parrot.
It's a parrot.
Yes. Read that.
Parrot.
Read that.
Parrot. You tell me, what is this?
Mother.
Monster.
Read. Ouch. Ouch. I like it.
Put this inside.
Okay.
You wanna put it inside?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Yeah, I pay $8.
Wait, I'm coming.
Okay.
Here,
Thank you.
put it inside. Wait.
That.
Here, get up. Thank you.
Let's feed it to them.
Yeah. You want banana?
Oh, yes. Oh, banana. Ooh, mommy. Yum.
Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oopsie.
No.
You want it? You just gonna eat it? Okay. You want orange juice? Oopsie. Milk. I mean honey.
Yeah. I want banana.
No. Nana's on the side. Get up. Milk.
Yes. Yes.
Ooh. Ready?
Yes. You ready? Set, go.
1,
Okay. 2,
2,
3,
3,
go.
go.
What do?
Right here. You like it? Ooh. Wait. More honey?
Yes. I want more honey.
It's gonna make it sweet.
I want more.
Okay, one last time.
Okay.
No, put it right here.
Wait.
Now let me rinse our spoons.
Thank you. Eat it.
Yeah, eat it.
That.
You like it?
Yes.
You want more?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, you juice.
Let me go get my cup. Cheers.
Now you talk so much it drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Wait, so what can I say to you? When I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, what is it for this girl? What is love? What is love? Believe it if
Made some cabbage. Don't judge how I cut my cabbage, guys. And then potatoes. You won? At the point?
Yes. You got boy.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Where is it? Where's the ball?
Right there.
Oh.
Like CeeLo, these niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the sound is how this shit goes? Sarcasm, by the way.
Yo, I don't think I've said anything till today. Kind of sort of just finished cooking. Just waiting for the bread and then I'm done. I know I look crazy. I was literally in the process of taking my hair out. And then I was just like, let me cook because I've been meaning to cook this food. But I didn't know what meat to make it with. So, good job. Go sit back on the couch, okay?
I want you.
You want shoes? No. And then I was like, let me just cook because I've been meaning to cook. So I'm about to finish my hair dinner while I'm waiting for the steam bread to be done, and then by that time it'll be lunch. So period. So I just asked my husband for a rematch. Well, not really, like it's kind of neutral, just that I kind of like put the plan in motion kind of thing. If you know last time, if you haven't watched that video, go back. I was in hell and I'm scared, but I'm also so hopeful. Like, I know I was feeling like this the last time too, but you know what? It's okay. Whatever it is, it's okay. Like, we'll see. Oh, open it.
I see that.
Whoa, you got a car?
I want to open it.
A lot of Valentine gifts. Kids got these. Yeah? I said yeah. Ooh, Nana got you a packet of candy?
Yeah.
What?
Baba balloon. Smarties all those Star Wars things.
Money. And more right here. Are you following me? Woo! You do it.
I can do it.
You can do
Even when I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit.
Good night. See you later. Bye. Go. Whee! See? Movie night. These cats are somewhere here. Yeah. Movie night. Guys, I need some for dinner. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I don't have element and I don't know what kind of meat to use, so I use a T-bone steak and chop it up. Let's see. No, I said put my makeup on. I can't believe it. I was so lazy last night. So fucking lazy. So, my hair's a mess. I put this wig on yesterday. It's not too bad, but I'm literally not gonna do it back on. So I'm just gonna do my makeup now, and I'm just gonna do my makeup now and hopefully get out of the house soon. I went back to bed after taking a shower because I realized I woke up too early. So. Because I got to church and I'm scared to get in because boring grilled cheese. So I'll just run away for God's to get here. And we'll go in together. And everyone is wearing cheese, but you know, overthinker here.
Wanting to give up because we just want to be out of that place, and it's almost like, God, please take me away from this place. I want to be in another place because if I'm in another place, then I'll be better. I need to be in another place or another person or another thing. And the word take literally means, in this context, to put in another place. How many would like God to put you in another place? Yeah, I think we all do at some point or another.
Oh, that was almost. Damn. Why you shoot twice? Y'all cheating. You call me. Now I couldn't shoot twice.
The word is cheating.
Cheaters. You see cheaters? Cheaters.